Good morning, guys. Myself Ritvika. Today we are going to discuss Ncert 7th class heat lesson. Okay, we have many seasons. Among that, we really like winter and summer season. Yes or no? Okay. Say which clothes do you wear in winter? The definite answer from you, it would be sweaters. Jeans, mittens, scarf, socks, long sleeves tops, trench coats. This would be the answers from your side. Okay, let's say what clothes do you wear in winter? The definite answer from you is singlet, Hawaiian shirt, t-shirts, overcoats, tank tops, flip-flops, caps. This should be the definite answers from your side. Okay, why do you wear these type of clothes in winter and this type of clothes in summer? What's the reason in it? We should discuss this in this lesson. Okay, let's come answer this question, which are you going to see in the screen. Here there is given an object and you are given to write either it is cold or warm. Okay, let's do it. Ask me, is it cool or hot? It's definitely cool. Spoon in a tea cup. Is it cool or warm? It's definitely warm. Fruit juice. Is it cool or warm? It's definitely cool. Handle of frying pan. Is it cool or warm? Here, if the handle is made up of thermoset and plastics, then it will be cool. If it made up of any other metal, it will be hot. Okay, see why are there so much differences? Why some objects are cool while others are hot? What's the reason? What do you think about this? We will check the answer for this question in this lesson. Okay, let us look and then. Okay, now I will give you one activity. Okay? Take three small containers. Put name as ABC. Okay? Fill the A container with hot water and the B container with cold water and the C container with lukewarm water. Okay? Okay. Next, come and put your two hands in one container of hot water and cold water. Okay? For some time. Next, remove the hands from the containers and put them in the containers which has lukewarm water. See, what do you feel? You will feel that one hand feels that hot and another hand feels it's cool. So here you are observing that we can't sense an object whether it is cool or hot by sense of touch. We need something else. What's that? Yes, your answer is correct. It's thermometer. Okay, what's the thermometer? What is the use of that? It will measure the temperature of an object. Okay, say what's the temperature? What's the definition? Yes, the definition of the temperature is the degree of sensible heat or cold expressed in terms of specific scale. By using this temperature, we can say that either it is an object is hot or cold. Okay, the object which is used to measure this temperature is known as thermometer. Here you can see the picture of thermometer. Okay, Should you use the same thermometer for measuring the temperatures of human and objects? No, we shouldn't use the same thermometer for temperating the human and objects. Okay, there are two types of thermometers to temperate. One is the clinical thermometer and the one is the laboratory thermometer. What is clinical thermometer? It measures the body temperature of humans. It is called the clinical thermometer. Actually, say where you can see this clinical thermometers more? Yes, you can see this clinical thermometer mostly in hospitals. Okay, here in the screen you can see the clinical thermometer picture. It's the clinical thermometer. Okay, this clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube and a bulb at one end. Actually, this bulb contains mercury. Outside the bulb, a shining thread of mercury can be seen here. Okay, if you do not see the mercury, rotate the thermometer and bit till you see. Here you can see that it is in one of the side it indicating the Fahrenheit and another side it indicating the Celsius. What are Celsius and Fahrenheit? Yes, your answer is definitely correct. These are temperature scales. Celsius and Fahrenheit are different temperature scales. What is the range of Celsius scale, say all of you? Yes, the Celsius scale range is 37 degrees to 35 degrees to 42 degrees Celsius. Okay? Actually, this is the range of clinical thermometer, 35 degrees to 42 degrees Celsius. Now, let's see some precautions we should take when we handle this clinical thermometer. In the screen, you can see the precautions we should be observed while using a clinical thermometer. We should wash the clinical thermometer, preferably with an antiseptic solution, because it may contain germs. It will harmful to our body. Okay? We should ensure that before use of this thermometer, the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. If it is above, the temperature measurement will be somewhat different. Okay? Next, another important thing is we should read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. That means along the straight line only we can see that. We should see. Then only we can note the definite temperature. Okay? We should handle this thermometer very carefully, because if it's hit the hard object, it will be break. Okay? And another important thing is we shouldn't hold the thermometer with help of the bulb. It will break and the mercury in it will pour out. Okay? Next, here I'd like to ask you one question. Which one of the closest to the normal human body temperature in degrees Celsius? Say what's the answer and comment below it. Okay, yes, your answer is absolutely correct. It's 37 degrees Celsius. The closest to normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, next here you can see the range of clinical thermometer. What's the range of clinical thermometer? 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. This is the range of clinical thermometer. Why it is only the range? Because the clinical thermometer doesn't extend this range. That means indirectly the human body temperature doesn't extend than 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, next. Now we are going to discuss the laboratory thermometer. This is the another type of thermometer. Okay, actually laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the temperature of objects. not touch the surface of the container. While you are measuring, for example, take a container full of water. When you are measuring the temperature of the water, we shouldn't touch the bulb of the laboratory thermometer to the container. It is very, very harmful. Okay, next, kink. You can see in a clinical thermometer there is a part called kink. What is the use of this kink? This kink helps the mercury level from falling on its own. For example, take a clinical thermometer, sees your temperature. After 1 minute, take out from its mouth and see the temperature. You should observe that the mercury doesn't fall. The level doesn't fall. Why? Why the level doesn't fall? Because of the kink. Kink prevents the mercury from the level forming it. Okay guys, next you can see here the kink. This is the picture of kink and in clinical thermometer. This is kink. It prevents the mercury from falling. Okay, if mercury is very useful for measuring temperatures, it's too harmful for us too, because mercury is a toxic substance. If the thermometer breaks, it is very difficult to dispose of it. So in these days, scientists are discovering new thermometers that is available in our markets, that is the digital thermometers. It doesn't contain any mercury. If it falls or breaks, it's not a harm to us. Okay, such a great invention. Next, here heat is transferred to where we are discussing in our lower classes that heat is transferred from a hotter object to a colder object. How the heat is transferred? Say what's your answer? How the heat is transferred? Okay, for example, take a pan. When your mother is cooking, she will take a pan and put it on a stove. After some time, the pan also will get heat. How the pan will get heat? Yes, you're absolutely correct. This is because of conduction. Conduction means this is the process in which heat energy from one substance to another substance to a direct contact. Here the pan is direct contact from the stove. That's why it gets heated. Okay, this process is called as conduction. Actually, in solids, generally heat is transferred by process of conduction only. It's the fact. Okay, next, you have learned about conductors and insulators in our lower classes. See, I think you also remember it. Say, what is conductor? Yes, you're absolutely correct. Conductor is something which allows electricity to pass through it. Okay, give some examples of conductors. Yes, some of the examples of conductors. You can see that most of the metals are conductors. And some of the examples of conductors are scissors, paper clips, aluminium foils, iron, steel, copper. These all are the conductors. Okay, next, now we conical flask and give it a source of heat. After some time, pour the water in that conical flask. After some time, the conical flask water will be heated. How? This is because of convection. Okay guys, I think you understand convection. Next, what is radiation? I think you all hear this term, radiation. Say, what's radiation? Yes guys, you're absolutely correct. Radiation means the transfer of energy in the form of particles or waves from one object to a medium. Okay, what is land bridge and sea breeze? From lower classes we are studying this. I think you all know this. Say, what's land breeze and sea breeze? Very good students, you're absolutely correct. Land breeze, I will tell you with an example. For example, in morning, near the oceans, the land first gets heated. So, the cool air from the sea gets coming towards the land. In night, the land gets cooler fastly, and the cool air from the land gets go towards the sea. So, in morning, the cool air from the sea gets going towards the land. This is called sea breeze. And night, the cool air from the land going towards the warm sea. It is called the land breeze. Okay, students. I think you are clearly observed this lesson. I will keep the notes in next video. I already uploaded the video. Please check it out. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to this ASK Educational Tunes channel. Okay guys, if you want to know any other lesson, please comment me. The next lesson will be posted in our channel is acids, bases and salts from 7th class science. If you want any other lesson, whether it would be maths, biology or any other subject, please comment it below. I will definitely try to make it sure. Thank you children. Please like. Do not forget to like.